mobile water treatment van which purifies water from any source, anytime, as per World Health Organization standards. In remote areas, during disaster situation and in trying situations. It purifies more than 50,000 liters per day of contaminated feed water and 12,000 liters per day of seawater. Added features of independent energy source: resistance to all weather conditions, transferability, easy to handle, good fuel tank capacity, solar power of 0.3 kilowatt taken from the panels to run the miscellaneous electrical appliances like lights, scroll boards, etc. Extraordinary feature packed water treatment technology is developed by CSIR CSM Serai Bhavnagar, Gujarat to enable it to effectively tackle any emergency situation of shortage of drinking water. Novel technology which CSIR CSM Serai have developed is a novel membrane technology which is the backbone of our research and which is being applied in the van which you can see over. What may be a flood-like situation, it may be a drought-like situation. The mobility of the van helps us to reach on the spot wherever the calamity has hit and to provide potable solution to the people who require water during crisis. This vehicle has a bit of a issue regarding its length, the total weight and as well as the width of the vehicle, which puts a limitation for its mobility further. As you can see, the length of the vehicle is hardly limited to 8 feet, which was otherwise 32 feet in case of an old existing van, and the width is hardly 5.5 feet. So you can see the compactness of this newly developed vehicle is reduced excessively. We will see the complete working mechanism right from the switching on of the vehicle, drawing of the power from the engine van itself to the alternator generator.
This vehicle is coupled with the alternator through PTO switch. This is the PTO switch of the vehicle. This is in moving position. Now we will unlock the PTO switch and start on the engine. Now we will engage the PTO switch to the alternator. And we will lock the switch for precautions. Now we will set the RPM to 1500 to get an output of 412 volts.
हमारा आरओ प्लांट चलाने के लिए जो ये अपना इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल है, ये जो अपना अल्टरनेटर चलेगा, बाद में जो हमारा वोल्टेज कंफर्म करना है 420 टू 440 वोल्ट, 3 फेज वोल्टेज हमको कंफर्म करना है। ये कंफर्म करने के बाद हमको आगे की ऑक्सीजन जो है प्लांट बूस्टर पंप हाई प्रेशर पंप वो चालू करना है।
हमारा डिस्क फिल्टर, कार्ट्रिज फिल्टर और जो प्री ट्रीटेड वाटर है उसको हम लोग आरओ मेम्ब्रेन में फीड करते हैं। प्रेशर बिल्डअप होने के बाद हमको प्रोडक्ट वाटर मिलना चालू होता है। प्रोडक्ट वाटर है वो पोर्टेबल होता है, मतलब कि पीने लायक। इस पूरे प्लांट को रन करने के लिए जो एनर्जी लगती है वो हमारे जनरेटर से आती है और जनरेटर होता है इंजन के साथ कपल्ड।
We have demonstrated the whole working on the Tata vehicle, and this is the second same type of vehicle, Isuzu, on which the plant is being installed using our indigenous technology. So these are the two vehicles under FPT project, that is the fast track project of CSIR, and these two vehicles are in a ready state condition to serve the cluster of villages and also during calamities. The key motivations of our newly developed van are creating the awareness among the people of this nation about indigenous water technologies. Secondly, providing on-the-spot demonstration of the capabilities of various water purification technologies. Third one is being in state of readiness to respond to any situation that arises around the nation. And lastly, creating a model
to serve a cluster of villages as and where drinking water solution is required.
हमारे देश में सूखाग्रस्त और प्राकृतिक आपदा में पेयजल प्रदान करने के लिए इन गाड़ियों का विकास किया गया है। हम इससे भी उन्नत किस्म के गाड़ियों के विकास में लगे हुए हैं और जो पूर्ण रूप से ऑटोमेटिक